Hello my students, how are you? Prep 2. Today we'll solve weekly assessment number 14. Look at with me about question number 1. First, choose the correct answer from the given. The opposite table represents ascending cumulative frequency like this. We have upper boundaries of seats. Ascending cumulative frequency like less than 10, 0, less than 25, less than 30, 14, and so on. Okay. Ask about first question, the number of students who obtains marks less than 40 marks equal. Less than 40, it will be 24 students. 24, for letter D. Question number 2 is the number of students who obtains marks less than 60 marks. Less than 60, it will be 40 students. The answer will be 40. Next question. Second. The following table shows the frequency distribution from the daily students hours for a set of students. 1, 2, 3, we must write here 3, 4, 5, to 6. 5, 12, 9, 6, we can collect together. 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 12 equal 25. 25 plus 15 equal 40. Then summation here 40. Okay, write the answer 40 about the sum. Write 40 the sum. Okay. If you want to complete the table, we complete it. Write 40 in the sum and up here 3. Now he won't form the ascending cumulative frequency table like this. You want to draw like this our boundaries of seats and ascending cumulative frequency. Okay. You can write ascending first and upper. Okay. Start from 1, start less than 1, less than 1, it will be 0, right? 0, because it is a table, 1 less than 1 will be 0, it will be 0. And also less than 2, this here frequency, and here less than 1, it will be 0. Less than 2, it will be 5. Less than 3, look at here, 3 less than, you can collect 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8, 13. Right, 13. Then 3 is 13. And less than 4, collect, look at 4, collect 12 plus 8 plus 5. Okay, less than 4, 12 plus 8 plus 5. About frequency, 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. And less than 5, we can collect 9 plus 12 plus 8 plus 5. It will be 34. And less than 6, we can collect all digits down, it will be 40. It's ascending order at our frequency. And then we can draw the graph, horizontal and vertical, like this. It's vertical and also horizontal like this. We can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 6. It's interval. There is an interval down and up. The greatest digits was 40. Start from 0, 10, 20, 30 to 40. Okay, the longest value 40. Going from 0 to 40, 8, 10 all the time. And then we will draw less than 0, less than 1, it will be 0. Less than 2 is 5. Less than 3 is 13. Less than 4, 25. Going from 4 to 25. Less than 5 is 34. Less than 6 is 40. If you won't find the median, you can select about the median about order. It will be 20, and then going intersection about the curve, and then drop to 3. 3 here is the median. The median will be 3. So we have here upper and ascending, like table. Okay, right at this table here, upper boundaries of seats. Okay, and there ascending cumulative frequency. Next question, model 2. If you also table and the information in the table. He asked about first question. The number of students who obtains marks less than 30. Less than 30, it will be 14 students. Right? 14, letter B. The number of students who obtained marks less than 40. Less than 40, it will be 24. Choose 24, letter E. Second question. The following table shows the frequency distribution for display studying hours. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here 5. And 6 plus 9, 15 plus 12, 27. 27 plus 13 equal 40. Summation here 40. Right, 40 here. Now we will draw like first question, right upper and ascending. Draw the table. The upper here, upper bound is of seats, and ascending, it's repeating. Like here, less than 0, start from less than 2, it will be 0, and then less than 3, it will be 6, less than 4, it will be 6 plus 9 is 15, less than 5, it will be 12 plus 9 plus 6, 6 plus 9, 15, plus 12 is 27, and less than 6, 27 plus 8 equals 35, and less than 7, we can collect all digits, the summation will be 40. Okay, and then draw vertical, like this. We have 2, 3, 4 intervals to 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. Right, 0, the greatest value 10, 0, 10, 20, 30 and 40. Less than 2 to 0, going from 2, 0 here. 3 and 6, 4 and 15, 5 and 27, 6 to 35, 7 to 40. Okay, and if you want to find the median, you can write the intersection. There is 2, 4. The median will be 4 if you want the median. Okay, next question. He will give you example like this about table first. Look at here, upper bound of seats, standing cumulative frequency. First, the number of students who opted mark less than 50 marks. Less than 50, it will be 36 students. The number of students who opted marks less than 10. Less than 10, it will be 0. Okay, the result will be letter E. Next question. Don't complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 plus 9, 16, plus 11, 27, 27 plus 13 equal 40, write 40 here, and then draw the table. So we can write here upper bounders here, and ascending cumulative, write upper, and here write about ascending. Start here less than 1. Look at here, less than 1, we haven't anything, right? 0. Less than 2 is 7. Less than 3, 7 plus 9 is 16. Less than 4, collect 11 plus 9 plus 7 equal 27, and less than 5, we can collect together plus this number to be 35, less than the digits will be 6. It will be 40 because 35 plus 5 40 is the sum of all digits before. And then we can draw data using ascending cumulative frequency. Draw vertical and horizontal two axes, and then there is a curve. Okay, first like this. It's vertical and horizontal. We have 0 in first interval, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 10, 20, 30, and 40. This is then 1 to 0, 2 to 7, 3 to 16, 4 to 27, 5 to 35, 6 to 40. If you want, find the median going from 20 intersection here and then draw 10 raised to 3, the median raised to 3, okay?